Here it is, the content box opening, and let's see what we have here. Okay, nicely packed there. There's the electrical on top. Got the knob and everything there, the wire, and some more packing. Hey, there it is. That's what we're looking for right here. Motor valve. Again, this came from Everything Attachments. And whew, that's pretty heavy. A one-handed deal. And so we'll see how that baby is going to fit on there and how it's going to go. Got the P port, and you can see the T port and all that on there. So hopefully it goes on pretty well on my B2650 with cab. Electrical wires, and it has it stamped in there real close here, WR long. So we'll see how that go. All right, got a little oil here. That's probably normal in the testing process. And there'll go. Let's see, open this. Let's see what we got here. Okay. I got some hoses wrapped up in here. Oops. Yeah, nice looking hoses there. I don't know what kind of fittings they are. I think the Kubota comes with Pioneer, is what I think, but I'm not sure. We'll find out when we start putting this together. And hoses there. And so, let's see what else is good down in here. Oh man, this is a Cadillac. This is nice. This is really, really nice. So I got to figure out how to put that on. It's going to be a DIY install. Everything look machined pretty well. Clips look good. I am not familiar with hydraulics, but we'll see how everything goes. Got the quick attach. So that'll be nice. I did not order a grapple from them. One, I did not want to wait. Two, I didn't really need a big grapple. All I needed was just something, just to pick up something every now and then. So, oh cool. Comes with some fittings here. And it's got your electrical wiring. The little fuse. And okay, I bought some today. I didn't know if this came with it or not. It did. Thank you, EA, WR Loan. That came with it, so I have some extra. And then there go the bolts. To put the little bracket on for the hose. So, I think that's these bolts, I imagine these bolts are to mount it probably. And then I have to get other bolts for the bracket. Unless it's something that's already on the tractor. So, hopefully everything's nice and tight. And then, of course, this is the most important, my helper, my little dog. And then got the instructions here. So, I learned to read years ago, so hopefully I'll figure out how to put this on. Most of the YouTube video that I found said it was pretty easy. So, we'll go on this. All right? Over now, WR Loan. That's all that comes in it. No grapple. I don't know what a grapple is. It should have been a grapple in the box. Just kidding.